I also missed the video 27th letter Ö. Ö. It is like this letter is not in English language. If you say O sound, we have learned O sound, right? And then keep rounding your lips, bringing your cheeks inward like a fish. You should be getting close to saying it correctly. Ö, ö, ö. Listen carefully how I say it. Ö. Again, it has 4 different forms. Okay, beginning form and front connecting, pause middle connecting, pause front connecting, and a long form. Let's see some examples. Ördek, duck. I don't like this animal. I heard it's like the very bad animal. I don't know. Okay, this is a child-friendly video, so I'm not gonna explain why I don't like ördek, duck. Okay, öz, like self, özüzüm, myself, and for the front connecting form, köz, I, or köp, a lot, köp. Pause front connecting form, öngörük, öngörük, öngörük. I think there's a place named Uyghur in my hometown, like in a village. I don't know. I live in a city, but there is a place called Uyghur or Uyghur. Yeah, but yeah, like, but I just want to show you example like Uyghur, so you can hear the pause. Uyghur, not Uyghur, it's Uyghur. Like I paused and then like up. Özel. I mean, I don't think there is a word for that, but like, yeah, I just wanted to show you the example. Then the last one, which is a long form. Oh no, I write it wrong here. A long form is just like this. Okay, I'm really tired today, I'm so sorry. Okay for that. Okay, dut. Today I am a bit stupid. Dut. Dölat. Country. Dölat. And what else? Dut. You know, you can see dere. It can come as re, right? And ze. By now you find the patterns, I guess. Dere, ze, je. It comes as this form. A long form can come as this. Re, ze, je. All right, I think that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.